Hi guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare quick, simple and easy namkeen rice from my home style cooking recipes. If you like the recipe, then give a thumbs up and share it more with your family, friends and relatives too. If you are a new friend to this channel, it's a request, please subscribe the channel. Let's start the video while giving thanks to all of my old friends who stays beside me time to time and also watched my videos. I also welcome new friends too. Let's have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this recipe. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. So you can pause the video and check the list in details. While cooking, I will also dictate the same step by step. To make namkeen rice, here I have taken half kg of regular rice and also some veggies too. First I am peeling the carrots and cut them into big slices. Now I am taking the beans and cut them into big slices. Also I am taking cauliflower and cut it into big sizes. Now I am taking the capsicum and cut it into big slices. After cutting them all, I am peeling the shells of the peas and store the peas in a bowl. Now I am chopping the onions too. Now I am taking a bowl where I am adding some turmeric powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, cumin powder and coriander powder too. Also adding some little water and make a paste out of it. Also keeping it aside, now I am cutting the tomato into big round shape. Now I am washing the rice and place the rice in a rice strainer to remove the excess water from the rice. After doing all the preparation, let's move to the cooking process. I am taking a wok and place it on the gas oven. Now I am switching the oven on high. I am adding some vegetable oil. Let the oil be heated, and after heated the oil, I am adding whole garam masala, cinnamon, green cardamom and some cloves. Also adding 2 bay leaves and 2 whole red chilies and keep stirring the whole until a good aroma comes out from the masalas. Then I am adding some chopped onions and frying it until translucent. Then I am adding veggies. First I am adding here the cauliflower, carrots, beans and peas too and frying them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I am adding ready-made ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoons. After giving a good stir on high flame, I am adding the tomatoes, salt to taste and sugar to taste. After giving a good and quick stir, I am adding the masala paste which I have done previously. Now I am simmered the flame and cook until the oil oozes out from the masalas. Now here in this stage I am adding the capsicum and cook hardly for 2 minutes on high flame. Now I am turning the flame on medium and adding the rice totally. Now I am giving a good stir to mix all the veggies and masalas with the rice. After stirring the whole for 5 minutes on medium flame, here I am adding 4.5 cups of water in it and bring the whole in a boiling point. After bringing the whole in a boiling point, now I am turning off the gas flame. On another burner, I am placing a pressure cooker. I am adding some vegetable oil in it. After heated the oil, I am rotating the oil to the inside part of the pressure cooker well to avoid stickiness and burning. Now I am transferring the whole to the cooker from the oak and cover the lid of the cooker and turn the flame high. Wait for one whistle, then turn off the gas flame and let the pressure be cooled down normally on natural air. After the pressure cools down, I am opening the lid and you are done. Our namkeen rice is ready to be served. Here I am taking a serving bowl and pour the rice in it. Serve it hot with slices of tomato and green chilies. Instead of tomato, you can also serve it with cutted fresh green lime and also chopped coriander leaves. Here, if the measurement of rice is 1 cup and the water should be 1.5 cup, it makes the rice separated from each other and also keep the veggies crunchy. You can also add your favorite veggies as well as. If you like the recipe, then try it once at home and let me know by comments in comment section below. As the process is very simple, quick and easy. Please consider the channel Khushi's Kitchen for subscription and press the bell icon to get notified of my new upcoming cooking video updates in advance. Today's video is over for the time being and will be coming back with a new cooking recipe soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.